Yeah, we started over. Alright guys, well, that's about how far we've gotten so far. Which is probably like a quarter to a half a mile. And I turned the camera off, trying to dry the screen. You alright, buddy? You okay? Let's go. Go ahead, go, go, go. Alright. This might be where we need to go. Shit. Damn. It's gonna take a while to get out of here too. This might be where we need to go. Let's get a better look with no fence in the way. Get my ass kicked. It's weird. Why is it hot there? Alright, let's go. If the snow was harder, I'd slide down there. Let's see if we can't go down. And we go down anyway. We fell anyway. I was gonna say, let's see if we can go down. I wasn't trying to slide. This is terrible. Can't see anything. It's a crazy whiteout right now. Oh God. Alright. Alright. Time to get out of here. Alright, I gotta put this away before it gets destroyed. If anything else happens of interest, you guys will know. If I find prints, I'll take some pictures. I don't see it happening because I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go out the same way I came in, so I highly doubt it. All right, go now, go, baby, go. I gotta tie my boot, and I can't. How am I supposed to tie it down there? And all that snow. Stick it up on the fence or something. Let's see if I can get up there. goose calls coming out of there. Out of where? I don't know. No. Sure, it's hard to see anything. Shit. Alright, let's just lean with it, rock with it out of here. Together. He's having a blast, that's what's important. I really came out here to walk him. So the wind is making the craziest noises before it comes. It's cool. It's really interesting. Gunner! Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Good boy. Good boy, you said that? Yeah, you're a good boy. Go, go. He's soaked. It's gonna be a long day. Oh, come on. I'm gonna step on. Come on, baby, go. Here's again this pine tree. It's not the same one, but same concept. They stuff underneath, like not as much falls underneath. Ah, shit. Oh, it's getting worse. I'm going backwards, that's why. I can't see anything. Alright guys, I gotta end this. It's too rough walking this way. It's coming right in my eyes. Maybe I should try to leave the camera up as long as I can, but I don't want to destroy it. You alright? You alright? When he started doing that, I was just talking to Gary about that before, because he's a veterinarian. I said, when I got him certified as a service dog, I went and learned animal CPR and first aid. He chokes a lot. Like, he makes that like noise, and it scares me. So I learned how to give him CPR, which is like basically whatever. I'll show you guys one day. But you basically hit them on the lungs. You like kind of pat them on the lungs pretty hard on both sides, and it makes the air come back out. It like makes them breathe outward. These are our prints, by the way. Go. Go, baby, go. Go, Gunner, go. Go, Gunner, go. Come on. I shouldn't be going faster than you. That was the deep part. Go, baby. Go, Gunner. I hope the roads are still paved. At least a little bit. Plowed, paved. What the fuck am I talking about? You're awesome, bro. Look at him. He's following. He's going the exact way that we went. Go ahead. Look at that. That looks like, well, it could be stuff that fell off. It looks like something was sitting there, though. They love to go into these pines. Let me back it up a little bit if I can. I lost the video last time I did this. This is it. Keep going. Keep going. Following the exact trail we took. It's crazy, right? Could have sworn I just saw something light up under that pine tree on my right there. Right at the bottom. There's no way I'm going on the other side today. It's just a whole nother. These go across the whole island. One goes north, one goes, well, not one, but the ones I travel, there's one. And one goes the other way, north and south, east and west. As always, thank you. Talk soon.